So what's up guys, we are the group 2 and right now it's September 11, Thursday morning. So today we're gonna visit some of the lumber shop here in Marawi City, specifically in Matampay. And we're gonna ask them kung ano yung mga sources ng kanilang lumber and anong mga species ang kanilang gina-produce. So I'm with my group mates.
Hello.
And they are in charge sa pagtatanong or pag-interview sa mga lumber shop owner. So see you guys there. Kita kids. See you guys. So ayun yung mga mga estudyante ng forest. Tulong bro tayo screen. So right now, nasaan na kami? Matampay, right?
Yes.
So naghahanap kami ng ma-interview na shop and I hope na pumayag sila. So yeah, so
Finished product nila yan. Quality products.
Antay.
Good morning po ma'am. Kami po yung mga estudyante ng College of Forestry at nandito kami para po mag-interview ng mga forest products na ginagawang furniture or any kinds of end products. Ako po si Eileen Odi and
I am Trinima Abdulaziz.
and I am Dimaporo Hijara.
My name is Anne Mercy Lim Rinayo, owner of this furniture. Anong klaseng kaway? Kasi niya. Meron tayong mga hugani. Hilingan. Tapos dito. Meron tayong gara din. At then nakatanim na ako 1,000. Nung time na sa ngayon, bumibili kasi naubos na yung ano namin, hindi pa lumalaki. Kasi hindi naman pwede magtutog na meron ano, hindi na pwede pinagdadakay kung may tumutulong. At yung ginagawa ko quality man talaga ang product basta magpapagaling. Nasanda kasi depende yun sa pagkakatay ko. Kung maganda sa gumawa, magiging good quality ko. Tapos yung ginagamit sa chemical. Basta mahal na klase. Talaga doon yung pag-intan, paano mo siya pag-gamit ko. More on hands-on ba tayo? May gamit tayo pero may machine tayo. So hindi na naman pa talaga yung sila. Meron tayo kasagaya ng China na kaya natin yung machine yun. Pero may question dito na what side. Ngayon na, puno na yun ang kahoy. Kawayan. Yung paakyat doon.
Right now, we're gonna go inside. So, kung saan nagkakaroon ng
Products man.
products. Yes. So, look at this. Ayun. So, meron silang... So, ito yung circular blade na na-report namin last semester. So, ito yung pang ano nila, pang cut.
We're done!
So, update. We're done interviewing the owner of this shop. Ano yung pangalan niya? Maranta Furniture. Finally, tapos na namin yung ano namin vlog. So, see you. We're gonna go home now. So, we are now at the College of Forestry and Environmental Studies. Oh, Giliuco!
To conclude our vlog, according to Miss Renayon told us that the lumber comes from their own plantation site, which located in Kawayan, Marantau. They acquired the property since 2011. They use species like Gemelina, Mahogany, Nilo, and Nara. To ensure quality, the wood is properly dried, treated, and curled for reprocess. The main customer are furniture maker and local buyers. To help conserve forest resource, they plant trees and use fast-growing species and follow government regulations on harvesting.